As children start maturing into young adults, parents may start to feel insecure about homeschooling. Many parents stop homeschooling as high school begins and happily hand over the rein to private or public schooling. But is this really necessary? Is the strictly compartmentalized education provided in schools a better option? If social concerns are worrying you, look for interest-oriented associations, clubs, and societies. These offer a lot of support for leaders, opportunity for shared experience, and foster a sense of belonging. Make up your own group, or share this responsibility with someone else. Home education support groups provide fantastic opportunities to meet your child's needs. This is the best way to develop intelligent, self-motivated, healthy and able young individuals. If the worry to teach some of the higher-level classes, such as math or science, seems to be beyond you, enlist the help of someone who knows more. You can even barter your own services and save some money. With homeschooling becoming more and more popular, support groups will have resources that help you find the right teacher for your child. The underlying principle that guides homeschooling is this: any child has the innate capacity to grow, develop, and achieve its full potential. All the child needs is the right environment and the right answers. Be there to provide these, and think twice before you turn over this responsibility to a third party. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.